Do you need to complete Form 990EZ but aren't sure where to start? ExpressTaxExempt is here to help. ExpressTaxExempt is an IRS-authorized e-file provider used by thousands of tax-exempt and nonprofit organizations to file their 990 returns. ExpressTaxExempt provides a secure, accurate, and efficient e-filing process for organizations and tax preparers. The first step of the process is to begin entering in your organization's details. The top of your form will be automatically filled in using the account information you already entered. This includes your organization's name, EIN, address, telephone number, and some other details. In Part 1 of the form, you will be reporting information on your organization's revenue, expenses, and net assets during the year. Part 2 is the balance sheet. This part of the form is used to calculate the net assets or fund balances of the organization. Every organization that files Form 990EZ must complete columns A and B of Part 2 of the return and can't submit a substitute balance sheet. Part 3 is the Statement of Program Service Accomplishments. A program service is a major, usually ongoing objective of an organization, such as adoptions, recreation for the elderly, rehabilitation, or publication of journals or newsletters. You should enter the top 3 service accomplishments along with the total amount spent and describe the program service accomplishments in Schedule O. Part 4 of Form 990EZ asks for information regarding your organization's officers. This includes officers, directors, trustees, and key employees. The information you will need to provide includes their average hours worked per week, amounts reported on W-2, 1099 NEC, and 1099 MISC, health benefits, contributions to employee benefit plans, and other compensation. If there is no compensation to report, make sure you at least input a 0. Part 5 of Form 990EZ is used to report any other required information and will ask you to provide answers to a series of yes or no questions. You will also be required to provide expenses for various activities and taxes. Some organizations may be required to attach Schedule A, C, O, L, or N to answer questions on line 33 through 45. For Part 6 of Form 990EZ, all Section 501c3 organizations, including non-exempt charitable trusts, must complete this part to provide information about lobbying activities. You will also need to enter information about any employees or contractors who received more than $100,000 in compensation during the year. After you've completed these sections, it's time to sign your form. An authorized individual in the organization must sign the return, such as the president, vice president, treasurer, assistant treasurer, chief accounting officer, or other corporate officer. Form 990EZ will not be accepted if it doesn't have a signature. Step 3 of the process is to review your form. Click Continue to audit. ExpressTaxExempt will check your return for mistakes. If we find any errors, you'll be able to correct them quickly. It's important to review your form thoroughly to ensure all the information you provided is correct. After reviewing your form and making any necessary corrections, you will need to decide how to share your return for review, either by sharing through ExpressTaxExempt or manually. When you choose to share with ExpressTaxExempt, you can add users to your account here. They will be able to sign in and check and approve the form. This brings you to the final step in the process, transmitting your form to the IRS. Enter any 5-digit PIN except all zeros and click Transmit to the IRS. Once your 990EZ return is transmitted and processed by the IRS, you will receive your filing status from ExpressTaxExempt by email. The updated status is also available in your ExpressTaxExempt account. Start your Form 990EZ today at ExpressTaxExempt.com.